west coast of India, in the Gulf of Cambay, lies the port of Dahej. This port is an important terminal for the offloading of liquefied natural gas and is a vital link in India's energy infrastructure. Petronet LNG awarded Afcons the project to build its standby jetty at Dahej.
Construction of standby jetty for Petronet LNG Limited has a major challenge. Sea at this location is very rough in terms of tidal variation and current.
The location of the jetty is in an area where the sea is very deep.
This part of the west coast, that is Dahej, where this jetty is being constructed, is having a tidal variation of 10 meters. It is very severe. That was also challenging. It is one of the biggest in international scenario where this jetty is to be made.
Afcon's rich experience in working on some of the most challenging offshore projects in India and overseas gave it the confidence that it could not only complete this project, but also complete it ahead of schedule.
This is an EPC project for Afcons, designed on international standards and codes for safe operation, serviceability, and the all-season berthing of the LNG vessels in this location. And this project is running parallel to an existing jetty with a small distance of around 500 meters between the two jetties. This jetty, when constructed, will increase the capacity of Petronet LNG for storing of LNG.
The jetty extends 2.5 kilometers into the sea. At the end is a jetty head structure that comprises 4 breasting dolphins and 8 mooring dolphins that hold the ship securely as the LNG is offloaded. Finally, a network of catwalks connect various parts of the jetty head structure. The jetty can receive ships carrying up to 266,000 cubic meters of liquefied natural gas to dock at the port and offload the product to storage tanks within 24 hours. It is the largest jetty in India to receive ships of this size and capacity. The offloading point at the end of the jetty is its key feature. To construct this 2.5 kilometer into the sea and with a high tide of up to 10 meters, Afcons brought in Samrat, its largest self-elevating platform. Samrat, which is the biggest jack-up in India, has the unique ability to work in depths of more than 30 meters. Designed and built by Afcons, this 2,928-ton behemoth was deployed for the first time at Dahej.
जिस लोकेशन में जो फ्रंटेड लोडेड हम लोग जो बोलते हैं, जो अनलोडिंग प्लेटफॉर्म जिसे कहता है, उस अनलोडिंग प्लेटफॉर्म में वाटर डेप्थ 16 मीटर से ज़्यादा है और उस जगह में ये सम्राट ही काम कर सकता है और उस सम्राट का वजह से उसका विड्थ और लेंथ काफ़ी बड़ा होने के कारण एक लोकेशन से हम लोग काफ़ी सारा पाइल मारने के लिए अचीव कर सका हुआ है.
In addition, Afcons also deployed the smaller Maharaja and Maharani SEP jackups.
सम्राट जैकअप में जो अरेंजमेंट दिया हुआ है, जो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सिस्टम्स है, जिससे काफ़ी फास्ट ऑपरेशन होता है, उस ऑपरेशन के कारण जैकअप पोजीशन में लेके जाना और उधर में उसको माउंट करना इस सम्राट का वजह से काफ़ी इजी हो जाता है. और इसमें एंकर का पोजीशनिंग एज पर जो हम लोग प्रोग्राम कर देते हैं, जो हमारा कोऑर्डिनेट्स है, वो कोऑर्डिनेट का अकॉर्डिंगली हम लोग एंकर का पोजीशन करता है. उससे पोजीशनिंग करना बहुत इजी हो जाता है. अदरवाइज एक्यूरेसी जो है, जो कंस्ट्रक्शन करना है और जो क्लाइंट्स को डिलीवरी करना है हमको, उसमें अगर क्वालिटी मेंटेन करना है तो सम्राट जैसा जैकअप से ही इधर कर सकता था.
Work began by constructing a temporary bund that allowed the berthing of floating vessels as well as the loading of materials. Next, piles that support the entire structure were erected. Steel pipes measuring up to 21 kilometers were procured for this purpose. These were brought in lengths of 12 to 15 meters apiece and joined to the desired length at the splicing yard and then transferred to site.
फास्ट प्रोग्रेस अचीव करने के लिए जो क्रेन से हम लोग बीम प्लेसिंग करते थे, उस क्रेन को हम लोग यहाँ पर मॉडिफाई किया हुआ है, जिसे सुपर लिफ्ट कोई भी जगह में लैंड में ऑपरेट होता है, मगर हम लोग इधर फर्स्ट टाइम उसको एलिवेटेड प्लेटफॉर्म में ऑपरेट किया हुआ है। उससे हमारा जो जट्टी का प्रीकास्ट यूनिट जो है वो प्लेसिंग फास्ट हुआ है।
The powerful jack-up barge lifts the piles with ease, places them precisely in position and drives them into the ground with vibro hammers and hydraulic piling hammers. Prefab concrete decking was then laid out on the piles. More than 20,000 cubic meters of concrete was used in the project. The use of modern machinery and efficient processes ensured speedy, safe and quality execution of the project.
We have carried out till now 7 million safe man-hours without any LTA, which is one of the thing to speak because this is a marine job. We have operated around the year operation during the monsoon also. We have continued this project to keep the schedule in time and deliver the project to the owners.
For completion of any project or installation, there is the requirement of 3M: manpower, machinery and material. This manpower and machinery and material is totally adequately enough deployed by the AFCON. The AFCON's motto was to complete the job within the time. The AFCONs in terms of manpower and material, they have never looked backward towards the mobilization. They have mobilized their very skilled and experienced manpower for the site. In addition, they have mobilized Samrat Jacob that has become the main strength.
While the project in itself is yet another success for AFCONs in deep waters, large tidal range and high current, we take great pride in the performance of Samrat, designed and built by AFCONs. At Dahej, AFCONs has set the benchmark for the execution of offshore engineering projects. And as India enjoys the benefit of using a clean energy like LNG, we are proud that we've played a small yet important role in making this happen.